High above the rainforest floor, hidden among leaves and branches, lives one of nature's slowest animals, the sloth. At first glance, its fur appears green. But sloths aren't born that color. Instead, they host a remarkable living camouflage system. Tiny algae grow directly on their fur, helping them disappear into the rainforest canopy. How does this unusual partnership work? And why would a mammal want plants growing on its body? Let's explore one of nature's most fascinating survival strategies. Sloths are found in the tropical forests of Central and South America. They spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees. Their slow movements help conserve energy. In fact, sloths move so slowly that algae and other tiny organisms can comfortably live on their fur. This unique lifestyle sets the stage for an extraordinary relationship. The rainforest canopy is crowded with life. Predators such as eagles, large snakes, and wildcats constantly search for prey. For a slow-moving animal like a sloth, escaping danger is difficult. Instead of running, sloths rely on remaining unseen. And that's where their unusual camouflage comes into play. During the rainy season, moisture becomes trapped in the sloth's fur. This creates the perfect environment for algae growth. Over time, green algae spread across the fur, giving the sloth a greenish tint. Among moss-covered branches and leafy vegetation, the animal becomes much harder to spot. To predators looking up into the trees, the sloth can appear to be just another patch of greenery. During the rainy season, moisture becomes trapped in the sloth's fur. This creates the perfect environment for algae growth. Over time, green algae spread across the fur, giving the sloth a greenish tint. Among moss-covered branches and leafy vegetation, the animal becomes much harder to spot. To predators looking up into the trees, the sloth can appear to be just another patch of greenery. Scientists have discovered that sloth fur is specially adapted for this partnership. Each hair contains tiny grooves and cracks. These structures trap water and create miniature habitats where algae can thrive. The fur acts almost like a living garden. As rain falls and humidity rises, algae continue to grow within these microscopic spaces. This relationship is an example of symbiosis. The algae benefit by gaining a safe place to live. The sloth benefits from improved camouflage. Both organisms gain advantages from sharing the same environment. It's a partnership millions of years in the making. The sloth's fur is actually a miniature ecosystem. Scientists have found algae, moths, beetles, fungi, various microorganisms, all living among the animal's shaggy coat. Few mammals carry such a diverse community of life. In some ways, each sloth functions like a tiny moving rainforest habitat. Camouflage is critical for survival. A sloth's slow movement already helps it avoid detection. Combined with green algae-covered fur, it becomes even more difficult to notice. Many predators rely on movement to identify prey. A nearly motionless animal blending into the canopy can remain hidden for hours, or even days. Rainforests provide exactly the conditions algae need: frequent rainfall, high humidity, warm temperatures. These conditions support the partnership year-round. The sloth and its algae have become perfectly adapted to life in this environment. Researchers continue studying sloth fur and the organisms that inhabit it. The unique ecosystem living on a sloth may reveal important information about biodiversity, symbiosis, and rainforest ecology. Every new discovery helps scientists better understand how species evolve together. High in the rainforest canopy, a sloth hangs quietly among the leaves, its green fur blending perfectly into the surrounding vegetation. hidden from predators, protected by a living coat of algae, a remarkable partnership that transforms one of nature's slowest animals into a master of camouflage. If you enjoyed learning about the amazing sloth and its living camouflage, like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe BrightMinds for more wildlife and nature documentaries.